In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use free screenwriting templates for pages to finally write your screenplay with proper formatting. Hi everyone, this is Bela from the Writer's Territory, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use free screenplay writing templates for Mac pages. Okay, so just follow me step by step and I'm going to show you how you can write your screenplay on Mac pages for free. In order to get the templates, just go to my website. The link is down below in the description, and download the templates. And once you have downloaded them, you will see them in your downloads folder, most probably. Okay, you'll get a zip file, and once you have them, just double click and this will unpack the screenplay template. Now you see this pages file, screenplay.template, and just double click on it, and now Pages asks you, it says this is a custom template, and asks you if you want to add it to the template chooser for later use. So let's just say I want to add it. Okay, click add to template chooser. Now Pages opens up, and what you see in this template chooser right at the bottom where it says my templates, you see this screenplay template. You double click on it or click create, and Pages is going to open this screenplay template for you. Okay, so what you see here is a title page where you can insert your title, name, and all the information that is necessary. And then let's just scroll down a bit to go to the first script page, and you can see it already has a page number and it says fade in. And if you click here and you go one line below with your cursor, you see the cursor here and you can start writing. Now if you look at the right hand side at the top, it says here scene heading. This means that the formatting for this line is automatically set to scene heading, because this is usually what you put first right after fade in case you write fade in. Okay, so let's just put a scene heading here, interior scene heading, just for this example, day. And if you now hit enter, it's gonna jump to the next line, and now it says action. It has action formatting because usually a scene heading is followed by an action line. Okay, now this is an action line. If I hit enter again, it jumps to the next line and makes another action line, because oftentimes action lines have a couple of paragraphs. Okay, you have one paragraph of action and the next paragraph of action. Now, but let's say you don't want to write another action line, you want to change this formatting to a character name. Then you just click here on the arrow and you choose character. And now you see that the cursor jumps right to the correct position, and you can enter a character name. It's automatically in all caps. Now if you hit enter again, the cursor jumps to a dialogue formatting, because usually, most of the time, a character name is followed by a dialogue. This is a line of dialogue. Now if I hit enter again, it jumps to action again, because this is also commonly used after a dialogue line, but maybe you will want to add another character. Then you just have to choose character here again. Okay, and if you have a parenthetical, sometimes after a character name you want to add a parenthetical, also just click here at choose parenthetical, and now you have a parenthetical line. Okay, then it goes to dialogue again, and after dialogue it goes to action again. Okay, so this is pretty simple. You can also, if you don't want to click and choose with your mouse, you see that next to the formatted elements there are F keys, Okay, so you can just use the F keys instead of clicking. So maybe this is a little more comfortable for you, depending on if you're someone who prefers keyboard shortcuts or clicking with the mouse. On the last page, you get a scene index. So you just get a list of scenes. What Pages does here is it just grabs all the scene headings and puts it all together like a table of contents. A word about page accuracy. This screenplay template is created with the same margin settings and line breaks as the default Final Draft screenplay template. In terms of font, I use Courier New 12 point, which is basically the standard for screenwriting. However, if you compare Courier New to Courier Final Draft, you will notice that there is a difference in characters per line and per page. That is because Final Draft's own version of the Courier font uses different spacings. But I assumed if you do not own Final Draft and you want to write your screenplay in Pages, you wouldn't have Courier Final Draft installed, so I switched Final Draft to Courier New 12 point, which is the standard anyway. If you want a prettier version of Courier New, you can also download Courier Prime by John August. It's, in my opinion, it's a bit nicer to look at and it uses the exact same measurements. Well, that's basically it. Have fun with these templates. This is a very easy and above all a free way to just jump in and write your screenplay finally, and you don't have to worry about finding software or even pay money for it. Okay, so have fun with this, enjoy writing and get that screenplay done.